Today I will show you how to fix this cable with the help of this thread. Any thread can be used here, and a Fevikwik. If you want to make this cable hard, you can use Fevikwik. If you want to make this cable flexible, then you can use this M-Seal Clear RTV silicone sealant or any kind of silicone sealant. Here I am using this M-Seal one. Simply wrap this cable like this uniformly to the affected area. Like this. Like this, we need to wrap the cable, and if you don't have this silicone sealant, you can use this Fevikwik or any brand adhesive, instant adhesive, to fix this cable. See, the cable is fixed now. It is an instant fix, but it will be in hard state. But if you use this silicone sealant, it will take time to cure, and it is bit expensive if you compare to this Fevikwik one. This solution is bit expensive. Please share this video so that others can be benefited by this. Thank you for watching.